Another great day for Toyota Material Handling. Today is the start of our 12th consecutive skills contest. So for 12 years running now, we've tested the skills of our apprentices and our tradesmen, testing their ability with overall one winner to be crowned Tradesman of the Year, Master Tradesman of the Year, Toyota Tradesman of the Year and Apprentice of the Year.
Look guys, there can only be one winner, but you're all winners for making it to this level, so congratulations for being here. You guys represent the top 6 out of the 50 apprentices we currently have in the system today, so well done.
I entered the skills contest to sort of challenge myself a bit more from day-to-day tasks, doing out at the workshop.
Having competed in the contest last year, I feel like it's given me a small advantage in the way that I know what to expect, and I hope to take away just, more experience again.
Like a family here, it's like we all get along so easy. It's just such a simple place to work for, but so satisfying.
It's just like a big family, everyone's happy to help. If you got any problems, you can ask someone, and they're always happy to come around and give a hand.
Out of 450 technicians, again this year we had excellent participation, and it's a real credit to you guys that you've made it to this point out of all of those people that have participated in the skills comp this year. So well done.
450 technicians, and one of them will come out on top and be our master technician for our group, which is a fantastic honour to have.
So the technicians today will run through 3 different stations. There'll be 2 breakdowns and a service. In each station there's 3 different brands, BT, Toyota and Raymond. There's 9 technicians. Out of the 9 technicians, there's 3 technicians per brand.
Always like to challenge myself. Ever since I've worked into it, I've always progressed, pushed hard, just to learn something new.
I entered the skills contest just to try and see if I can do better than I did last year, and got through to the final last year. Made the final again this year, so we'll see where we go from here.
I enjoy working at Toyota. It's got a good working environment, good employees to work with.
I feel honoured really to be in this in the group of 9 that made this skills contest. So, well, Toyota Material Handling, we're #1. I've worked for most of the major brands, but I want to work for the best company.
Toyota is a very innovative company, and in a blink of an eye, new technology comes out. So we need to stay ahead of that race, and we need to keep our guys skilled. So what we're doing here today is great for these guys, but it's also an investment. It's an investment in our own company, because it's forcing us as a management team to skill our technicians to stay in the race of technology.